Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella right here, and basically what this is a pet bed. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. But first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So if you see the product is all nicely compressed inside, but let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take out the bag, this is what it actually looks like inside. Let me actually open up all the wrappers on here to show you guys what the actual product looks like once you guys open it up. Alright, so you see once you open up, the product starts expanding immediately. And it is quite big because the one that we got right here is a medium size. They do have this available in a small size if you guys do want like a smaller one. But let's take it out first. So once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right off the bat, you can see the material that's on here is like a fleece fur material that feels really nice and very soft. But they do give you guys the option to flip it to the other side. So that way you get like a cooling effect instead of having like the warm fur material. So it's definitely really cool how the pillow is actually reversible. And the cool thing about this pet bed is the fact that it is washable. So if you want to take off the cover and wash it, or if you want to wash the part here, you can definitely do that. So this is what the product looks like on this side. When you guys flip around to the back, this is what the back part looks like. So they do have like the non-slip material on the bottom, so once you guys put on the floor, it won't move around. In the front part right here, we do have the brand logo, and this is what the inside looks like. So you see the one that we got right here is like a camel color, but they do have this available in a gray color as well. So if you guys do prefer like a gray color, you guys can go for that instead. And I love the way how they designed the product on the side, because they can put the head on the side right there. But that is everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually go test it out to show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the bed. Let's test it out to see how it works. Alright, so you see it definitely does work, and they actually like it a lot. So if they wanted to, they can use the side right here as a pillow to lay it down if they want to. So let me see how they lay it down on here. They actually give you guys that cushion for your pet. And when you guys flip material on here, it feels really nice and actually feels really fluffy as well. If you guys want to flip to the other side, you do have the option to flip to the other side to give them that like cooling effect, which is really nice during like the hotter days. So I flip it around to the other side. This is what the product looks like on this side right here. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. So you see it definitely works on this side as well. And it definitely gives you guys like a cooling effect on this side compared to the other side with the fur material. But I do like the medium side because it's a little bit bigger to give more space for your pet. You can see when you guys try to move it around, it doesn't really move that much. So the non-slip material on the bottom definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, and definitely see actually does work, actually worked quite well. If you see when I actually use the product, it definitely gives you guys a pretty good coverage for your pet. So if you guys have like two small pets, they can fit inside right here. And like I mentioned earlier, I really like the fact of how they actually have that little pillow on the side. So that way your pet can put the head on there once they lay down. And having that reversible option for the pillow is actually really cool and very convenient. So that way one side is better for like the colder days, and one side is actually better for like the warmer hot days. But that is everything that's on the product here. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality pet bed that has the same design that's on here, that is also washable as well. That I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't want or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.